Hey y'all, hey, it's Robin back with another video for you for the spring season. On this channel, I do show decorating and DIY and cleaning tips and also product review. Today, I am giving my bedroom a spring cleaning, starting off with the ceiling fan. This thing had gotten so much dust in it that I had to go in and give it a thorough cleaning. And now I'm going in to clean off my window sills and the border of the windows. So much dust and dirt and grime just builds up over time, and I really wanted to give this space a really good cleaning so that we are breathing easily in the space. Your bedroom is supposed to be a safe haven for comfort and just relaxation. So you want it to be clean and fresh. So that's what I am doing. I am just using a rag with some hot water and Dawn dishwashing liquid, coming behind it with a dry towel just to make sure everything's all cleaned up and no dirt and grime residue is left behind. So I am going to go ahead and finish cleaning the window sills and around the window perimeter. And this video is going to focus on a spring update to my master bedroom as well as cleaning. I hope you enjoy. Please do take a second and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. I would love to have you join the For the Love of Decor family. Taking a quick second to point out these really cool elastic sheet wraps. They will keep your sets all together, your pillowcases, fitted sheet and flat sheet. Love them. I got them from the Target Bullseye section. They do also come in twin and queen. So if you want to keep your sheet sets all together, pick you up some of those elastic labels. They are so super handy. I am going in and making up the bed. This is an adjustable bed frame that we have on our bed. So I was just using the remote at the beginning of this clip to let the bed down flat so that I can go ahead and make it. And I am going to go ahead and make the bed and jump in just a little bit. So this little piece here goes at the foot of our bed on the adjustable base to keep the mattress from sliding off of the base when you are hitting the button to either rise the bed up or at an angle. There are so many different functions on the remote to get you the comfort that you need. Absolutely love an adjustable bed frame. So convenient and just so versatile. So I am going for a layered look in this spring refresh. So I'm going to start with this white duvet insert. It is a very cool blanket, so it's perfect for the spring season. We are on the border of spring beginning, so you know, we do still have some cold nights here in California, so I am going to layer a few blankets on the bed, but they are all going to be bedspreads, no comforters, just keeping it light and layered with different textures, just to bring in a neutral kind of warm tones. So that is what I'm going for in this look, and my pop of color will be this kind of terracotta, really really pretty color that you see in that picture above the bed. So I am going in and adding some finishing touches. I am using 2 gold end tables that I already had, and I am styling them in a nesting manner. They came out so super cute. I like that they are shaped differently and they fit underneath one another like a glove. Love the way it came out. This vase I did pick up from Ross. I do have 2 of them. Love the leopard print on them. I'm using some dried pampas. These are actually more of a plastic resin material, I believe, for the pampas. Very sturdy, but very messy at the same time. But the color and the structure of these are top tier. I purchased these from Home Goods last year. And I am using these vases that I also picked up over at Home Goods a few months back on the clearance aisle. Love, love, love these, and they fit perfectly. So here is the finished look. I hope you love it. I love the colors. It's definitely giving spring, definitely cheery and nice and clean in the space. Absolutely love it. Chef's kiss. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will show different angles of the finished look as well as some final pictures. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned to the end.
When them see the lyrics constructor, coffee come in at a rupture, and everybody get jumped on. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrical doctor, coffee come in like a rupture, and everybody get jumped on. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrics constructor, coffee come in like a rupture, and everybody get jumped on. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrical doctor, coffee up, take up the temperature. picture for them see. Me know them envy, but friend with the envy. Yo, I first me see people around me so plenty, but me pocket now empty. Me need space, so Lord, get me. See them and watch me do a clock now. I must show me a fitting for lockdown. Sitting in the bed, ni picking in the century. I drench me, but me fire go place. And I see him way, so me see the enemy a protest. Oh, and him could come the closest. No, I can feel still I do the mostest. I want me to put in the work and trust the process. Oh, yes, that's how we grind right now. Coffee with the prime time flow. Time for we accumulate the kinds